Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here then welcome. My name is Millie and today I am testing out these. These are magnetic eyelashes. They are from the brand Lorchar. Brings your beauty out. I got them on Amazon. They were $12.99. I'm going to be putting these on my eyeballs today. I have worn these before because it was a massive fail the first time I put them on. I did film it but honestly it was so bad I've decided to properly test them out and figure out the best way to use them. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm showing you the best way that I have found over the last couple of weeks to use magnetic eyelashes. So these are the ones where you draw on the magnetic eyeliner and then the eyelashes themselves have little magnets in the strip lash and you just pop it on and the magnets attach it to your eyes. So let's just jump on into the video. So inside the box there are 5 packs of eyelashes, the eyelash magnetic adhesive, and they do also come with tweezers. They're like rounded ones that fit to the shape of the eyelash. I literally took them out of the box, felt how tacky they were and threw them away. So they're somewhere in the rubbish next to my table, but I won't be using those today and I don't recommend that anybody does because they just didn't work. Also I tried on the very first video that I filmed that I said about, I tried to wear the most natural looking lash, so the ones at the top, but I cut them wrong because I am completely incompetent when it comes to eyelashes and makeup and everything. So I will be showing you today on the second pair down, which are a little bit more dramatic. They do get more dramatic the further down the packaging you go, but I have found that the second ones are the best for me and what I would wear, not every day, but you know, for a special occasion. All those special occasions that are coming up with us being in lockdown and not being able to leave our houses. But yes, I will be wearing these today. I do have a few errands to run, so I will be wearing these today and I will do a check-in later on in the day to show you how they wear and just generally how I get on with them. So like I said, I will be wearing the second pair down today, but something that I wanted to show you today was when they come off the sheet, they look like this, that second pair. And I don't know how well you'll be able to see, but they look very straight, very plasticky looking. So I did that trick. I don't know if anybody else has, well, other people will have seen it because I've seen it, where you get a spoolie brush, like what you brush through your eyebrows, and you rub it roughly along the strip of the strip lash and it fluffs them up and makes them look just a little bit more natural and a little bit less plastic. So I did that with this pair and this is what it came out like. So I just did one so that we could do them like side by side. Let's see if I can stick it to the back of my hand actually so that you can see next to each other. So I don't know how well you'll be able to see, but this is the original, how it came out in the package, and it just looks really spindly, really plastic looking. I mean, obviously they're fake eyelashes, but these ones are the ones that I've like roughed up a little bit with the spoolie brush, and they're just a little bit softer. They're definitely like more wispy on the edges of the actual lash. I just prefer how that looks. So I'm going to just quickly do that on the strip lash that I haven't done that to yet, and then I will stick them on my eyeballs. So I don't know how well you can see from where you are, I'm going to zoom in a minute, but I don't have very much mascara on. I've got a winged liner on and then I've got like one layer of mascara on. I do find that that's the best way of doing it, because once you've got them on you can't really put that tension through them with the brush of a mascara wand. So I do have one layer of mascara on, which is absolutely not as much as I would normally have on, but that's what I've got on. I do also have a wing on, which I wouldn't recommend doing with this eyeliner, with the one that you get in the box. It is very sort of sticky and gloopy and I don't think it would last very well on a wing. On your eyelash it's absolutely fine, on your eyelash line it's absolutely fine, but I don't think an actual wing would stay all that well. So I'm going to zoom you in and we'll get these on my eyeballs. So as you can see, that is the makeup that I have on so far. Please don't tell me if I haven't blended it very well. Oh, did I always have that? That's embarrassing. Let's pretend that wasn't there. So I'm going to take the eyeliner, and what I do is when it comes out, it has loads and loads of product on that brush, so I scrape off on the side of the tube as much as I possibly can, and then I'm going to do this side first. Really, really carefully go above your eyelashes. So that's why I say carefully, because it is quite messy, but we can fix that. And just paint that along there. And it says on the instructions, and I agree, what I have done when I've worn these is to let it dry a little bit, but not completely. So maybe leave it for 20 seconds and then get your lash ready. So I think that that's dried down enough, and I'll try and do this so that you can see. You just pop above your eyelashes again. Whoop. Like so. And then once I've got them on, I just go with my finger, because they are quite straight. Like if I look to the side, I don't know if you'll be able to see. They are quite straight. I don't know how to describe it, but I just go in with my finger and push them up a little bit. My own eyelash is included in that. So that is the before and after. So they start, I'll get my little brush so I can show you. The actual strip lash starts here, but I've cut it in such a way so that that just blends into my natural lashes. But yeah, I am happy with how they look. So let's do the other side. Like so. It's so easy. You can, when you first put them on, you can absolutely feel where the little magnets are. But the other day I was wearing these, I mean, I haven't worn them all day before, and it's getting late on now. It's 3:15 now, so I'm not going to be having like a full day test today either, but after a couple of hours you do just forget that they're there. So again, I'm just going to push up with my finger, make sure that they are completely pressed in, and then push up with my finger. So they are the finished lashes. I can still feel them, but obviously I've only just applied them, I can still feel them. But yeah, I'll zoom you out. So this is the finished thing. So I am going to do a check-in in a few hours. I have a few errands to run, and I'm going to be out and about for a couple of hours wearing a mask, so all of this makeup is going to be coming off. But I will report back how these last. I can still feel them on my eyelashes, 100% I can still feel them, but I know that in a few hours, half an hour, maybe an hour, I won't be able to feel them anymore. You just get used to them, just like anything. But yeah, I'm really impressed with how they look. I'm really impressed with how easy they were to apply, but we will see how they look after a couple of hours wear. So it is significantly later on. It is now 8:15, and I've had these eyelashes on for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 hours. And I can honestly say I don't even feel them now. They are still very much on my eyeballs. They haven't started to come off at the corners. They're still very much there. If the rest of my makeup is looking a little bit funky, I have had a mask on for pretty much all of those 5 hours, so that is why. But the eyelashes are still very much there, still hanging on, and I am really, really impressed. These last so well. I've tried these out a few times, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. Have tried these on a few times, and I have applied them in different ways, and I think I read somewhere on the instructions to apply 2 layers of the glue liner liquid stuff, I don't find that that is necessary. It doesn't give you any more wear, it doesn't make them wear any longer or any better or make them feel any more secure, so I don't think that that's necessary from the tests that I've done, but I will just zoom you in again and show you how they are looking, and then we'll take them off. So this is how they're looking close up. Like, I really don't think you can tell, like they are still quite a natural looking lash, like they don't look really spidery, so I do really like that about this specific pair that I have on. But let's take them off. Oh, I didn't have hold of that properly, that's why. Just like that. So if you can see on that eye, it does sort of take off the glue, I suppose, underneath where the liner is. It does take that off, but I'm guessing it would do that with any liner. So on the other side of the lashes, you can see that the liner has like built up. So what I would do, and what I'm going to do tonight, is I'm going to get a cotton bud with a little bit of micellar water on it and just run it along there just to clean that off. Do the other one as well. Yeah, it's so easy to take off and they're so easy to apply as well. But yeah, you should be able to see where the magnets are, like where it's stuck. It does just take off that little area. So that is my full review and thoughts on these. I would say that these are, from my very limited knowledge of lashes, and when I say very limited, I haven't worn lashes in about 10 years. Yeah, from my very limited knowledge of lashes, I would say that these are like a 9 out of 10. Like, I just think some of the other styles that you get in the box, I know that I'm not going to wear. I'm only going to wear the ones that are like the more natural style. So I would like it if I could get a box. I don't know if I can, I haven't looked this up, but I would like it if I could get a box that was just the more natural wispy styles, rather than like these ones down at the bottom that are really, really thick and really, really long. And I know I'm not going to wear these ones, so that is a little bit of a waste, but I'm definitely going to get my wear out of these ones that have now stuck together. I'm definitely going to get my wear out of these. I just think they're a really, really great product, and for somebody like me who doesn't really know what they're doing, they work really, really well. So let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried those magnetic eyelashes where it's like the upper and the lower ones, and you sort of sandwich them over your lashes, because I do want to try those out. So let me know if you've tried them, or if there's any brands that you've seen that you want to see a review for. I am more than happy to get some and give them a go. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye!